Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome to another exciting adventure with me. Today, we find ourselves in the enchanting city of Maastricht, located in the southernmost part of the Netherlands. Maastricht is a city and a municipality in the southeastern Netherlands. It is the capital and largest city of the province of Limburg. Maastricht is located on both sides of the Meuse, Dutch, Maas, at the point where the Jekker joins it. Mount St. Peter, St. Pietersburg, is largely situated within the city's municipal borders. Maastricht is adjacent to the border with Belgium and is part of the Meuse-Rhine-Euro region, an international metropolis with a population of about 3.9 million, which includes the nearby German and Belgian cities of Aachen, Liège, and Hasselt. Maastricht developed from a Roman settlement, Trajectum ad Mosum, to a medieval river trade and religious center. In the 16th century it became a garrison town and in the 19th century an early industrial center. Today, the city is a thriving cultural and regional hub. It became well known through the Maastricht Treaty and as the birthplace of the euro. Maastricht has 1,677 national heritage buildings, Rijksmonumenten, the second highest number in the Netherlands, after Amsterdam. The city is visited by tourists for shopping and recreation, and has a large international student population. The Basiliek van Ons Lieve Church is a true masterpiece of Gothic architecture. It dates back to the 11th century and is dedicated to the Virgin Mary. The church is also called as the Basilica of Our Lady. This iconic landmark is an architectural marvel that has stood the test of time, and we're about to delve into its fascinating history. The Basiliek van Ons Lieve Church is located in the heart of Maastricht and holds a significant place in the city's history. Construction of the church began in the 11th century and continued for several centuries, resulting in a stunning blend of Romanesque and Gothic architectural styles. As you can see, the church's shot is nothing short of breathtaking. The facade features a combination of ornate stone carvings, towering spires, and elaborate stained glass windows that depict biblical scenes. These intricate details truly showcase the craftsmanship and dedication that went into creating this masterpiece. Stepping inside, you're immediately greeted by a sense of tranquility and awe. The interior of the Basiliek van Ons Lieve Church is just as impressive as its exterior. The soaring ceilings, ornate pillars, and beautifully adorned chapels create a serene and sacred atmosphere. The Basiliek van Ons Lieve Church continues to be an active place of worship, hosting regular religious ceremonies and services. The sound of hymns reverberates through its hallowed halls, adding to the spiritual ambience and creating a sense of community for those who gather here. As we leave the church behind, we venture into the vibrant streets of Wolfstraat. This charming pedestrian street is lined with unique boutiques, cafes, and art galleries. It's the perfect place to indulge in some retail therapy or simply soak up the local atmosphere. Our journey continues along the Maastrichter Brugstraat, a bustling street that leads us to the magnificent River Maas. The River Maas, known as the Meuse in French and the Maas in Dutch, is one of the longest rivers in Western Europe. It stretches for approximately 925 kilometers, flowing through France, Belgium, and the Netherlands. Here in Maastricht, the river holds a special place in the city's history and continues to play a significant role in its culture and development. Maastricht owes much of its charm to the River Maas, which has served as a natural boundary, trade route, and source of inspiration for centuries. The city is home to several iconic bridges that connect its different districts, allowing residents and visitors to traverse the river and explore its diverse offerings. Along the banks of the River Maas, you'll find a vibrant mix of cafes, restaurants, and recreational areas. These riverside establishments offer a perfect setting to enjoy a meal, sip a cup of coffee, or simply take in the serene beauty of the flowing water. It's a popular spot for locals and tourists alike, especially during the warm summer months. If you're feeling adventurous, consider taking a river cruise along the Maas. These cruises offer a unique perspective of the city, allowing you to admire its stunning architecture, historic landmarks, and lush greenery from the comfort of a boat. You could also indulge in water sports such as kayaking or paddleboarding, adding an extra thrill to your Maastricht experience. Our next stop is the Maastricht Markt, the heart of the city. This expansive square is home to a vibrant open-air market, where locals and visitors gather to shop for fresh produce, flowers, and unique goods. The atmosphere here is truly electric, especially on market days. This bustling open-air market has been a hub of activity for centuries, offering a delightful blend of sights, sounds, and flavors. Let's dive right in and discover the charm of Maastricht Markt. Maastricht Markt is a feast for the senses. From the vibrant colors of the fruits and vegetables to the intoxicating aroma of freshly baked goods, you'll find an incredible array of products here. The market is brimming with local vendors who take great pride in showcasing the best of Maastricht's culinary delights and craftsmanship. One of the best parts of Maastricht Markt is the opportunity to engage with the vendors and sample their delectable offerings. Whether it's savoring a warm stroopwafel, indulging in a slice of Limburg's Vlaai, a regional fruit pie, or selecting a bouquet of vibrant flowers, the market invites you to immerse yourself in the flavors and traditions of the city. Right in the heart of Maastricht Markt stands the majestic City Hall. This stunning Renaissance-style building is a symbol of the city's governance and rich history. The City Hall, known as the Stadhuis in Dutch, has been an integral part of Maastricht's landscape for centuries. Leaving the Markt behind, we take a leisurely walk through the picturesque Maastricht. This quaint street is filled with cozy cafes, unique shops, and delightful eateries. It's the perfect place to take a break and indulge in some local treats. Our next destination is a true gem for book lovers, the Bookstore Dominikanen. As we enter Bookstore Dominikanen, it's impossible not to be immediately struck by its remarkable architecture. The building itself is a work of art, housed within the majestic walls of a former Dominican church. The soaring ceilings, intricate Gothic arches, and exquisite stained glass windows create an atmosphere that is both grand and ethereal. We now find ourselves in Bergthof Square, one of Maastricht's most vibrant and lively areas. This spacious square is surrounded by beautiful buildings, cafes, and restaurants. It's a hub of activity and a popular gathering spot for locals and tourists alike. Right in the heart of Bergthof Square stands the Grand Basilica of Saint Servatius. This Romanesque church is dedicated to Saint Servatius, the patron saint of Maastricht. Its origins can be traced back to the 4th century, making it one of the oldest churches in the Netherlands. The basilica's interior is adorned with stunning frescoes, intricate sculptures, and a treasury filled with religious artifacts. The basilica's architectural style is primarily Romanesque, with some Gothic elements, and it boasts an impressive facade adorned with intricate stone carvings, imposing columns, and striking statues. Our journey through Maastricht wouldn't be complete without a visit to the city's main transportation hub, the Maastricht train station. This modern and bustling station connects Maastricht to various cities across Europe. It's a perfect starting point for further exploration of the region. Maastricht is a city that values its green spaces, offering locals and visitors alike an escape from the concrete jungle. The city boasts a plethora of parks and gardens where one can relax, unwind, and connect with nature. From the expansive Stadspark to the charming Jackerdal Park, these green havens provide a breath of fresh air and a chance to soak in the natural beauty of the surroundings. Maastricht's green spaces are not limited to traditional parks alone. The city is dotted with smaller, yet equally charming, pocket parks that offer a peaceful respite amidst the urban landscape. Green Park and Waldeck Park are just a couple of examples, where you can find tree-lined paths, vibrant flower beds, and cozy benches, providing a quiet escape from the city's energy. The green spaces of Maastricht are not just for leisurely strolls, they also serve as ideal picnic spots and outdoor gathering places. As we conclude our adventure, we take a drive and a leisurely walk through the charming streets of Maastricht, admiring the architectural wonders and the picturesque views along the way. The city's unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty never ceases to amaze me. That wraps up our incredible journey through Maastricht. I hope you enjoyed exploring this captivating city with me. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting travel vlogs. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.